guys, and welcome back. Thanks so much for joining. So today is going to be a fun day. I'm going to show you how to design and create a home office. Here, my name is Angel. I share everything related to my life. I would love to have you become part of the family, so please consider subscribing as well as liking and sharing on Facebook. I'll leave all of my social media handles. If you want to see more of what happens in my everyday life, be sure to follow me on the other social media platforms. Alright, let's get started. Whether you work from home or you just need a home office to pay your bills out of and handle administrative things, I'm going to show you how to create a home office that inspires you. A lot of times you don't know where to start, how to start. I'm going to show you how to create the entire space. So welcome to the office that I have designed and created, and I'm going to show you how to create as well. First, you want to start with your theme. What type of office do you want? I knew I wanted a glam office. My colors was rose gold and marble, and I decided to accent some blues in there. You want your office to be functional and useful, yet comfortable and very relaxing. So the very first thing with designing an office is to look at your space, see how much space you have. I've used a free program to just put my measurements in there and to put furniture pieces in there to see how I want it to look, how I want it to style it, and this actually helps you to see your space before actually buying pieces. And then next, your next big set for your foundation of the office is your furniture. To start, you really want a really nice desk. I found this really long 60-inch desk on Amazon, and I shared this with you guys with my build with me. If you have not checked that video out, please do so. I'll link it below. I also added an IKEA desk for my assistant, or for just a second desk in here because my husband's in here a lot too. So this desk I found from IKEA, and it's a one computer desk, but I knew my desk I needed a big one because I was going to have two computers on it, my laptop and my big computer. And you also want some really comfortable seating. Whether you work in your office or you're in here all the time, you want a really nice, comfortable and stylish chair. This chair I found from Wayfair, and I really love it. It's super comfortable. And I also added a blanket in here that's pink because I stay cold, so that way I have a blanket right here I can throw over me, and it also matches the office so it doesn't throw off the theme. I added these two chairs for guests to sit in. You always want some seating for others. So I found these two from Kohl's. I will link everything I can below, guys. But these are cloth seats, whereas my swivel chair is leather. But they are in white to match the rest of my office. Also found the Z Gallery chair. It's a leather chair, chrome legs for my assistant's desk. It was perfect. And for every office, you want to have some bookcases. So I found these bookcases from IKEA, and I decided on bookcases with doors because I wanted them to look like a built-in behind me. And the doors is for when you need to hide things, because a lot of times, you know, you may not have the time to clean up and you just want to store stuff in there. Like a lot of my camera gear and all of that are in the doors or inside. The shelving of bookcases, you have to worry about decorating. And speaking of decorating, I'm going to show you how to decorate bookcases. You want a lot of accessories. and you want to space them out. I have a mixture of quotes and storage boxes and artwork and flowers, and it's just a mixture of items. You don't want it to be overly crowded, but you also want to fill the space so that it's styled. So a few things I picked up was I picked up this A symbol in gold from Michaels, and I picked up this embrace gray sign also from Michaels. And some of the items, guys, I've mentioned in my hauls. I picked up this rose gold geometric shape for the bookcase. You like geometric pieces does wonders for bookcases, so I have a few of them on there, and this one I actually picked up from Home Goods. And this DIY, the little rose gold box, was a DIY project that was in one of my previous rose gold and marble office DIY project videos. I picked up this Go Where Your Dreams Take You from Michaels, and this Girl Boss Building Her Empire from Charming Charlie's. And this glass candy jar I got from Home Goods, and it's so cute, and I got it sitting on a mirror from Dollar Tree. And then I have this sign that I absolutely love. It's a quote. I picked up a lot of printables and wall art from Home Goods in a pack and put them in frames. I also found this white candle holder, and it is so gorgeous. I really like it. It matches the office perfectly. This is a DIY project. It's just a perfume sample cut out and put in a frame, and that's an easy, inexpensive decor piece, guys. So decorating your bookcases, there is no black letter line, but just you want to be creative and mix in different elements and not overcrowd. You also want to make sure to add just some flowers to your office. Flowers brightens up and refreshes the room. I picked up this green plant from Ross that I have sitting here on my desk. I really do like it. And this pink flower I also found at Ross. It is so cute and just brightens up the space. And this floor plant I found from Home Goods, and again, plants just freshen up your room, whether fresh or artificial, just brightens up the space. Now don't forget about your walls. You want to add just some wall art, and you can find some inexpensive things in here. I have a mixture. This is a marker board from IKEA, and I added marble contact paper to the back of it to blend in, again, because of my marble theme. And I also found this wire storage from Michaels where you can put your folders in, and I found the folders actually from Amazon. They're so cute because they match the decor in the office. But you can find all different types of wall storage and wall art, things to add to your wall to fill space. Let's talk about books. You want to add books to your office, decor books specifically. I found these Kate Spade books and others from Amazon and Home Goods. And you also want to pick up some just cute little decor pieces that runs with the color theme of your office. And I found this marble vase from Ross. The painting in the background was from IKEA. I found this little pink vase from Michaels. Over here on the cubicle, I have a lot of little decor pieces. I have makeup brushes and a glass bowl. I have a rose gold tree. I have a rose gold large candle. I also have a marble lamp. Don't forget about your trash cans and your rugs. You want to find something in your color theme. I found this trash can from Ross and this rug from Overstock. And then now let's talk about storage. In your office, you do want to make sure to have storage. These are white boxes I found at IKEA, as well as white magazine holders from IKEA. And then this gray cloth box was also from IKEA, and it's so cute, and you can just throw junk in, you know, that way your office still looks nice and clean and organized. And these white boxes are very, very good for storing like instruction booklets and different things. IKEA has a nice selection of storage bins. Now these plastic storage bins, I really like them because they had lids. These were from Ross, and you can store so many things in those. I also found this acrylic folder holder from Amazon, and acrylic holders are really nice. And these blue magazine racks came from Dollar Tree. Also, this desk storage came from Amazon, and it's great because it lifts up your monitor and you can put your keyboard under it and store more items. I also found this gold cubicle hanger where you can store like 2 shelves inside of one. It adds extra storage to cubes. Found that at IKEA. In addition, I added a clothing rack for clothing storage, and I found this at IKEA as well. So these 3 storage bins also adds functionality to the office. Acrylic bins are very, very modern, and because there's no color to them, it actually blends with your office. I love acrylic storage bins. I found these, I believe, at HomeGoods. And this white 3-tier storage box came from IKEA. Now, let's talk about lighting. I added this cute gold light fixture here in the office to match the theme. I found it at Overstock, and I will leave a link below. I also added this rose gold light switch cover. So you can also find little bitty ways to add extra decor to your office, and one thing is with the light switch. It's a simple DIY project. In addition, some lighting you can add is some string lights. String lights adds that ambience to your office. I put these string lights around a candle inside of a lantern. And then I also put some more string lights inside of a candle holder. They just add an extra touch of ambience to your office. Now let's talk about desk organization. I found this really cute notepad holder that says, "With God all things are possible," from Burlington's. And it's so cute because it's not only a clipboard on the outside, but on the inside it's a notepad. The lotion bottle I discussed in my rose gold office haul, and the wire rose gold was a DIY project. And this really cute polka dot "Work hard, stay humble" sign I found at Burlington's. Rose gold and marble mouse pad I found at Amazon. Guys, if you like the home office that I designed, please do give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to check out some of the other spaces I have created and designed and showed you how to do as well. And if you want to see my glam DIY closet, be sure to head on over there and check that video out.